Hello, Math 7 students. It is our last new unit of the year. We will have a unit after this, to kind of for a full year kind of making sure you know what you're doing. But this is our start of our last new unit for the year. Probability and statistics. Your first con from this is called simple probability, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so you've got the spinner right here, right? And they're asking, what is the probability, you read it right here, what is the probability that you will not get a squirrel? So they tell you that each section is equal proportioned, and there's 5 sections, and only one of them has a squirrel. So if the odds are 1 in 5 that you will get a squirrel, then what are the odds that you will not get a squirrel? So you got to just be careful to read this. And the odds are 4 out of 5 sections. So you'd write 4 over 5. You could put in decimal form and say 0.8, and that's what, when they say round to the nearest 2 decimals. You could say 0.8 or just keep it in fraction form. I think that's easier, and say 4 out of 5. All right, let's do another one. All right, on this one. What is the probability? Oh, it did not show up here. Shoot. Okay, this one was supposed to say, I'm going to just type in here, right here. It was supposed to have the probability of an apple. What was the probability of getting an apple? It was supposed to say that. My computer was running a little slow, I guess, when I took the picture. It's what's the probability that you get an apple if you select out of a random piece here? Well, you have how many pieces of fruit total? You might say there's 9 pieces of fruit. And how many of those 9 pieces of fruit are apples? 4 of them. So your probability of getting an apple is 4 out of 9. So pretty simple. Next one. Got that right over here. You're going to roll a fair 6-sided dice, meaning it's not weighted. Okay? 6-sided dice, you may know, has a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6 on it. Okay? They want to know what is the probability that you roll a number that is greater than 6. Well, many of you are right now going, wait a minute. If you only roll 1 dice, there isn't any number greater than 6. And you're correct, there is none. So your odds of getting a number bigger than 6 rolling the 6-sided dice is 0. It can't be done. Okay? By the way, what if they said, what's your probability of getting a number less than 7? Well, then you would say 100% or 1, because 100% and 1 represent the same thing. So that's kind of how you do those type. So I didn't see one that had a probability of 1, but I imagine that it's out there. So just be prepared for that. 0 means it can't happen. 1 means it's 100% certain it will happen. That's all I got for you guys. Good luck. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.